person of interest, siya yung, and it's literally what it is, no? Isang person of interest, interesado yung police at ang mga investigador sa kanya kasi meron siyang connection dun sa krimen. Either maaari siyang source of information, maaari siyang possible suspect na meron siyang kinalaman. So, but not necessarily na siya ang gumawa ng krimen pag sinabing person of interest. Hindi automatic na pag inimbita siya ng police for questioning, hindi automatic na ay siguro siya yung pinagsususpetsahan na gumawa ng krimen. The person of interest can be anybody na pwedeng tanungin ng police for information. If you are a person of interest, you can actually turn down, since it's a quote-unquote invitation, you can actually turn down an invitation to be questioned by the police. But of course, if you are not guilty of anything and you actually want to help the police to solve a crime, ay pwede ka namang magpunta to give information. Or kung talagang wala kang impormasyon, sabihin mo na lang na, I know nothing. Kung talagang kinakabahan kayo, diba? A lot of people takot na magpunta sa presinto. The best advice is magdala kayo ng, huwag kayong pumunta mag-isa. Yung person of interest, pag merong ebidensya laban sa kanya, reasonable belief or probable cause na siya ang gumawa ng krimen, nagiging suspect. Pag suspect kayo, meron ng reasonable belief, meron ng probable cause to think that you committed a crime. At which point, pwede na kayong ma-issuehan ng warrant of arrest. Merong taong nakakita na mukhang kayo yung gumawa ng krimen, kaya inaresto kayo ng walang warrant, di ka na pwede mag-refuse. But they need to be able to file that case. Kunwari, warrantless arrest, case like murder, which is a capital offense. Dapat within 36 hours, ma-file na nila yung kaso laban sa'yo. Hindi pwedeng isang linggo na hindi ka pa fina-filean ng kaso. Yung Miranda warnings, once you are picked up by the police because kayo ay talagang suspect na sa isang criminal na kaso, required sila na sabihan ka na ikaw ay inaaresto. Ikaw ay inaaresto for a particular crime. Kailangan sabihan ka na you are entitled to have a lawyer of your choice, and if you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be given to you. And you cannot waive any of these rights unless you have a lawyer, and you have the right to remain silent. Otherwise, anything you say ay hindi pwedeng gamitin bilang ebidensya laban sa iyo. Yun. Always good to know what all these terms are. Kasi nga, katulad niyan, kung kayo ay na-invite for questioning, at kung kayo ay hindi naman suspect pero person of interest, at least alam niyo yung karapatan ninyo na hindi kayo pwedeng i-detain ng police pag sinabi niyong gusto ko nang umuwi. Kung ikaw ay naging suspect na, either alam mo na merong warrantless arrest, sasabihin mo ngayon dun sa police, kailangan kayong mag-inquest or mag-preliminary investigation na para alam na natin kung, and you cannot hold me for more than 36 hours. And it's important to know these things para rin alam nyo na kailangan ko ng abogado